Kasakai Pune! GDG Pune has really grown over the many years, and I think now it's reached a totally different level. It's one of the premier chapters for us in India. And the Devfest which we have done is a testimonial of the fact that everything is culminated together. The fact that we have so many sponsors, so many partners participating, so many professional developers and also students participating. I think it's all been a great festive occasion.
I think it's very well managed. I think right from the time you walk in the morning, you see what's happening around, right? I think the coordination is extremely good. The branding, the placing and everything. I think the sessions, and I'm really looking forward for the sessions in the afternoons too. I think it's nothing short than amazing. So I think it's a very well coordinated event for sure.
It's really great, like a fabulous audience, and today morning I delivered one session and it was like from the session till now I'm answering all the questions, so I haven't seen such kind of an enthusiasm in the audience. It's a really great crowd.
It's so exciting to be amidst developers, students and professionals, everyone enthusiastic about cloud, enthusiastic about technology. I got amazing questions. It was very technical, it was hands-on, deep dive technology. But I saw the level of engagement that the audience had with me, that I can say that they are 100% vested in this, and they want to learn, and the hunger that they have to technology and to contribute, create an impact in businesses using technology, that's amazing.
This year, the Devfest has really changed the complexion of how our community-led tech event has to happen. So I want to use this opportunity to give a big round of applause to the GDG Pune team for landing amazing Devfest. Please give them a big round of applause, folks.
It's awesome. So we get visibility, we get to interact with a lot of people like other conferences. So we get to a lot of students and other companies, they are interacting. It's a great event for people to network.
The ancient way of marketing is not there. New age marketing is all through community, word of mouth, viral effect. That has a huge impact. What comes from the people you know about a product or a service means tons of credibility than what you see in a hoarding. If you need a founder, CTO, employee, customer, you want to test stuff, beta testing, everything happens in the community. So Devfest is our annual celebration of the community spirit. So we are here for Devfest, and this year, like I said, was amazing. See you all very soon. Thank you very much.